Okay, students, we are going to see about next problem on chain rule. Example 10.10. The question is differentiate y is equal to x cube minus 1 whole power 100. Okay, so look at the problem. The given question is y is equal to x cube minus 1 whole power 100. Okay, so we already know that x power n, if you differentiate the x power n, you can get n into x power n minus 1, and you have to differentiate the inner function. That's it. So now I am going to differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate y, you can get dy by dx, that is equal to, I am going to differentiate the x. So look at the value. The power value has 100. So we know that d by dx of x power n, that is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So that's formula we are going to use it now. So n, the value of n is 100. So n value is 100. So we can write n into, so 100 into the value of x. We can write the value of x cube minus 1, and the power we are going to reduce now 100 minus 1 into inner function. Look at the inner function, x cube minus 1. If you differentiate x cube, you can get 3x square. 3x square. Then if you differentiate minus 1, you can get 0, because if you differentiate constant, you can get 0. Now 100 into, you can write 3 in front of the value, 3x square into x cube minus 1. 100 minus 1, you can get 99. So directly you can write 100 into 3, 300 x square into x cube minus 1 whole power 99. Okay, students, we are going to see next problem. Example 10.11. The question is find f dash of x if f of x is equal to 1 by cube root of x square plus x plus 1. So this is the question. We know that 1 by a power m, we can write a power minus m. Okay, this is the power rule. We are studying in 8th standard. So now we are going to use this formula for this problem. So the problem, I am going to rearrange the f of x. The f of x will be cube root. Cube root means power 1 by 3, and also it is having 1 by a power m. So I am going to write the f of x square plus x plus 1 whole power. Already we can write 1 by 3, but it has divided by 1 by a power m. That format is there. So directly we can write minus 1 by 3. Okay. So I am going to rearrange the f of x. F of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Because cube root we can write 1 by 3, but the form is 1 by a. Okay, 1 by a means cube root of x square plus x plus 1. That's we are writing minus m. So that's why I am putting minus m. Okay, so I am going to find f dash of x. So f dash of x, that is equal to, we already know that x power n into x power n minus 1. So n into x, the value of x is x square plus x plus 1, and we need to subtract the power. So minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, and we are going to differentiate the inner function. So inner function, this is inner function. We need to differentiate inner function x square. If you differentiate the x square, you can get 2x. Then if you differentiate x, you can get 1. So 2x plus 1. If you differentiate 1, you can get 0. So now I am going to simplify the values. So minus 1 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power, take cross multiply, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus 1 minus 3, you can get minus 4 by 3 into 2x plus 1. So directly we can write the final answer is minus 1 by 3. You can multiply, both values are in multiplication. So write the first 2x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power minus 4 by 3. So this is the value of f dash of x. Okay, the next problem, example 10.14, the very easiest problem. So the problem is differentiate y is equal to e power sin x. We know that d by dx of e power x. If you differentiate the e power x, you can get e power x. Here, the inner function is 1. If you differentiate the inner function, you can get again 1 and e power x, you can get e power x. That's why we don't write 1. We don't differentiate the inner function when the x coefficient is 1. But if the coefficient is 2, you can differentiate the coefficient of e power 2x, you can get e power 2x. If you differentiate 2x, you can get 2. But here, directly you can use d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. Look at the question, e power sin x. So, if you differentiate y, you can get with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to e power sin x. If you differentiate e power sin x, you can get e power sin x. Look at the inner function sin x. If you differentiate sin x, you can get cos x into cos x. Hence, finally you can write cos x into e power sin x. Okay, so this is the final answer.